boys and girls. Welcome to Circle Time with Mrs. T. I hope you're having a great month of October. We have some more fun Halloween songs for you and some fun Halloween stories. Here's a song about a jack-o'-lantern. I'm a little jack-o'-lantern, look at me. I'm as happy as can be. Put a candle in and light the light. Don't be frightened, it's Halloween night. Boo! Good job. Our first story today is The Very Hungry Caterpillar, Creepy Crawly Halloween. The full moon glows and the stars shine bright. Who glides and swoops with the bats all night? A fluttering moth. In the deep dark woods, trees sigh and creak. Who creeps and crawls when other bugs sleep? A very busy spider. In the damp, soft soil, there's barely a sound. Who scuttles and hides behind the grassy mound? It's a scurrying beetle. A little house waits in the woods all alone. Knock, knock, knock. Is anyone home? A cozy black cat. Some tasty treats for all and a giant pumpkin too. Someone very hungry is hiding. Can you guess who? It's the Very Hungry Caterpillar. Boo! Story, boys and girls. We have another fun activity. We've got a pumpkin and we've got some golf tees and some little pegs. Now I find that the golf tees work a little bit better because they have a sharp edge, but it's still safe to use. And you need a little hammer. And what we're going to do is we're going to practice our hand-eye coordination. So we are just going to take our golf tee or our pegs and pound and pound. And you can make different designs. So you can do some rows of color. You can maybe make a smiley face. So all sorts of things. So let's try a colored peg here. But this will keep you entertained for a long time. So I hope you enjoy it. Our next story is called Clifford's Halloween. I'm Emily Elizabeth. Today is a holiday. It's my favorite day of the year. This is my dog Clifford. Today is his favorite day too. With a big red dog like Clifford, every day is fun, but holidays are the most fun of all. At Christmas, Clifford makes a very good Santa. He already has a red coat. And on New Year's Eve, we stay up until midnight so Clifford can blow his New Year's horn. Happy New Year! On Valentine's Day, Clifford is my favorite Valentine. And you should see Clifford on Easter. He makes a wonderful Easter bunny. On April Fool's Day, Clifford never plays tricks on anyone, and no one plays tricks on Clifford. On Thanksgiving, Clifford gets a great big turkey. But today is the best holiday of all. Halloween! Last year, we had a big Halloween party. I dressed as a pirate, but I didn't know how to dress Clifford. Daddy thought Clifford would make a good devil. I wanted him to be a clown or maybe a witch, but Clifford wanted to be a ghost. When the children came to the party, nobody could guess who the big ghost really was. We had fun. We bobbed for apples. Clifford wanted to play too. We played another game with apples. Clifford won that game. Then Mommy told us a ghost story, but we weren't afraid. We had the biggest ghost of all on our street taking care of us. After the party, Clifford and I went trick-or-treating. We didn't have much luck, but we didn't mind. It was time to go to bed anyhow. Halloween was over. And now Halloween has come again. And I'm not going to be a pirate this year. I'm going to be a fairy princess. But what should Clifford be? An Indian or a knight? What do you suggest? I hope you enjoyed our time together, my friends. It's time for our goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now, my friends. So long, farewell, until we meet again. Bye-bye for now.